Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 5 minus 101 x cube minus 999 x square plus 100,900 is equals to 0. So let's solve this equation. So x power 5 minus 101 x cube minus 999 x square plus we can write this as 100,899 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if I'll take x cube common, so x square minus 101 minus if I'll take 999 as common, so x square minus 101 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if I'll take x square minus 101 as common, so x cube minus 999 plus 1 is equals to 0. So x square minus 101 times x cube minus 999 is equals to -1. So there are two numbers in multiplication. So we can say that if we multiply 1, this gives the same value. So x square minus 101 we compare with -1, while x cube minus 999 we compare with 1. So x square is equals to -1 plus 101. So x square is equals to 100 and the value of x is plus minus 10. Now from here, x cube is equals to 1 plus 999. X cube is equals to 1000. So the value of x is 10. Plus minus. So in both the cases, the value of the x is plus 10 minus 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.